You may want to participate on a feature called Add Yours on Instagram, but it isn't working. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Add Yours not working on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's just head on and open up Instagram right here. So the first thing that you might want to check is that if this feature is available on your location. So you can just search for Safari or Google Chrome if it is, or you can also try tapping on the Add Yours feature like this one. So I'm just going to open up my story right here. So I have added an Add Yours feature. So you can just click on this one, Add Yours option, if you see it on stories, or these are usually shown on stories and reels. So you can just tap on Add Yours right here and it'll automatically open up your camera page through your story. So if it says that it is not available on your location, so we can't actually fix that. So you might just have to wait and see if it is already available on your location soon, and just be updated on the Instagram updates through the App Store or your Play Store. So if it does not still work, even though that this feature is available on your location, you can actually consider again that you might be seeing this feature on a certain post instead of on a story or on a reel. For example, this one right here, it is just a feed post that shows the Add Yours feature. So when we tap on that, it actually does not work because it is not added on a certain story or on a certain reel, and it is basically just a screenshot. So the last thing that you can do is to go to your app store and make sure that your Instagram is up to date, and that might fix this issue. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.